Take out the earbuds and remove the protective stickers. Place the earbuds back into the charging case. Wait for 3 seconds, then take them out again. Scan the QR code in the manual, or search for Veetra in the App Store or Google Play. Sign up and sign in, tap the banner button, and start pairing. For iOS users, go to System Settings Bluetooth, find and connect to Veetra Alpha first. Before first use, gently clean your ear canal with a damp cotton swab. Put on the earbuds and make sure they fit snugly against the ear concha. Once the earbuds are worn properly, the app will begin analyzing your brainwave data. You can put your phone down, relax and take a deep breath, and listen to your favorite music. Once the signals become stable, a progress bar will appear at the bottom of the app. If the signals are still unstable, slightly adjust the position of the earbuds and try again. When it reaches 100%, you are ready to go. Try the spare small or large ear tips included in the box. Make sure the darker side of the ear tip covers the gold contact points on the earbud. Place both earbuds back into the charging case. After 3 seconds, take them out to reboot. It will solve most issues. You can also reset the earbuds by following the instructions in the app or manual.